name is Lon, and my group and I are on a quest, a low-budget mission, to find out whether or not our school students have a positive or negative attitude about life. But before we even go on our mission, we will ask some experts whether they believe the Kingston students have a negative or positive attitude.
Dr. Ling, do you think our school students are more pessimistic or optimistic?
Well, I think our students are more pessimistic since the teachers put a lot of pressure on the students.
Our next expert is Dr. Cha. He is a professional at psychology. Oh look, there he is right now. Dr. Cha, I have a few questions for you. Dr. Cha, what do you think of our school students? Do you think they're pessimistic or optimistic? We need your expert opinion. You're the only experts we know. Where are you going? I've got you.
What's going on here?
Dr. Cha, we have a few questions for you.
What is it?
Our school students, what do you think of them? Are they more pessimistic or optimistic?
Optimistic. I don't know, man. Get me out of here.
Give me a real answer. What is it?
I don't know.
Now that we have our expert opinion, we will interview the students themselves and see if they think our school is optimistic or not.
I think the general population is pessimistic because I deal with girls all day long, and that's all I ever see.
I think the general population is more pessimistic now since the economy is bad and student loans and everything.
I think it's generally more pessimistic because we're in a recession and tuition's very high for college, and unemployment's still high, and what else can we do? I mean, there's nothing.
I think that the general population is pessimistic.
Why?
Why? I don't know, because most people, they don't achieve their goals because of laziness or whatever.
Pessimistic.
No.
Why?
Because future is crap and we're gonna die, and school is hard.
Pessimist.
Why?
Well, because, our economy sucks. The tuitions for colleges are going higher. Not a lot of people are rich, so how are you going to pay for this? And they're getting depressed and pessimistic about it.
Pessimistic.
Why?
Because everyone's really depressed. And life is never good. Pessimistic.
Why?
Because life sucks. People are pessimistic because they always think about the bad things.
I think people are pessimistic.
Exactly where you're leaning on?
Why?
Because they just like to think of the negative things in life.
Pessimistic because girls are always on their period and they see a mask. That's it.
Now, to test whether or not our school truly has an optimistic or pessimistic attitude.
In order to run this test, we surveyed an English class from each year. We encouraged them to answer as honestly as possible, not to influence other students, and to take their time.
Our collected data of size 117 revealed a slightly more optimistic student body with a mean optimism score of 5.034. To check if our data is significant enough to conclude that our students are indeed more optimistic, we have run a one sample t-test where our HO is mu equals 5 and our HA is mu is greater than 5, where mu is the mean optimism score. Because we tested random English classes based on grade level, we achieved an SRS. Each student's score is independent from each other. With 117 samples, we exceed the condition of 30 samples. Therefore, it satisfies the central limit theorem. After putting our sample results to the test, we have a p-value of 0.4061, and therefore we fail to reject our HO at alpha level 0.05. Therefore, we cannot conclude that our student body is more optimistic.